there's a huge chance that there are people who are loving you with all of their hearts. Kaya lang, there's a huge chance na because of the lack of self-love, because hindi natin mahal yung sarili natin, nire-reject natin yung pagmamahal ng ibang tao. At kaya ka-reject natin sa pagmamahal nila, kusa na lang silang umaalis. Ang problema, pag umalis sila, feeling natin iniwan tayo. But in reality, tayo yung nagtaboy sa kanila. So the bigger question now is, how do we love ourselves? How do we build self-love? And the answer to that is investing in yourself. This is the best thing you can do for you. This is the pinnacle of self-love. Pag willing ka ng gumastos ng pera, ng time, ng effort, to intentionally love yourself, develop yourself,